Okay guys, so it's been a good 2 weeks since I posted that video of me planting tomatoes in the greenhouse, and I have got to show you what they are doing because they are growing. We have one that's already touching the roof. Can you believe it? Oh my goodness. Like when I was planting these with you guys, they were like barely coming up out of the tomato cages. And this guy literally fell over in a storm we had. The top of the tomato cage is right here. It is well beyond that. Literally all the way up here. That one in particular is the Super Sweet 100. And then the others are doing amazing. That one over there is a little determinate one that I added in later. But yeah, everybody else above and beyond their cages. And here is 1 month after planting the seedlings in the greenhouse. It is really starting to look like a jungle in here. Look at these cuties! Aren't they adorable? Like little marbling on them already. The summer squash are also starting to produce. And of course the flower garden is looking beautiful. My daisies are nearly 4 foot tall and they're starting to bloom. Here are some photos I captured of them as they start to bloom. Thank you for watching.